Most people don't regret the things they've done. They regret the things they never tried, the words they never said, the dreams they left unfinished, the chances they didn't take because of fear, pride, or doubt. It's hard to realize, but regret doesn't come from failure. It comes from hesitation, from waiting too long to start, from letting fear of judgment stop you from living fully. Years later, you look back and think, what if I had just tried? You see, life is short. Moments fade, opportunities don't always come twice. And the truth is, none of us know how much time we really have. So why keep postponing the things that could change your life? Why keep holding back the words that could heal a heart or open a door? No one ever reaches the end of their life wishing they had stayed more comfortable. They wish they had taken more risks, loved more honestly, forgiven faster, and followed their hearts before it was too late. You might fail, you might get rejected, you might lose people along the way, but you will learn, you will grow. And one day you'll look back not with regret but with pride because you had the courage to live. The people who never fail are the ones who never try. But failure isn't the end. Failure is proof that you had the guts to step into the unknown, that you were brave enough to live beyond fear. So don't wait for someday. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, because one small step today is better than 1,000 wishes tomorrow. Say what's on your heart. Tell the people you love that you love them. Forgive those who hurt you, even if they never say sorry. And most of all, forgive yourself. You did the best you could with what you knew at the time. There will always be reasons to wait, but those reasons will never bring back lost time. Don't let your story be one filled with almosts and maybes. Let it be filled with I tried, I learned, and I lived. So go after that dream. Start that business, write that book. Take that trip. Say yes to the life that's calling you. Because one day, when you look back, you'll realize the things you feared the most were never as big as the dreams you ignored. Regret is a slow poison. It eats away at the soul quietly, whispering, you could have been more. But not you, not anymore. From today, promise yourself this. You will live boldly, speak honestly, and love fearlessly. You will not let fear decide your future. You will not live to regret what you never did. You will live to remember what you did do. The times you tried, the moments you stood tall, the days you refused to quit. Because one day the clock will stop, and all that will matter is whether you truly lived while you had the chance. If you're not following the Wisdom Realm885, you might not see me again. Follow now, and let's walk this journey of growth together. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you refuse to regret in this life?